Today is Tuesday, August 20th, and this is another update on my progress beating the S&P 500 along with Bill Ackman's Pershing Square holdings. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Same as the last couple of updates, I haven't made any changes to my portfolio and I've kept everything exactly the same. This is what the SPY chart looks like right now. On Monday, the markets moved higher and then today they slightly declined, which ended up snapping the 8-day winning streak that the S&P 500 was on. The last time that the S&P 500 had 8 consecutive days of gains was a little under a year ago, last November. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a couple of days where the price either stays flat or slightly declines. This upcoming Thursday, Friday, and Saturday is going to be the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium, which is a once-a-year meeting put on by the Kansas City Fed, which is a gathering of all the central bankers and economists. They have titled this year's meeting, Reassessing the Effectiveness and Transmission of Monetary Policy. It does run from Thursday to Saturday, but Jerome Powell is going to speak there on Friday, and a lot of people are thinking that he's going to kind of say something one way or the other about what's going to happen in September with the rate cuts. So if Wall Street likes what he says on Friday, the markets could definitely go higher. As of right now, it would only be a 1.11% gain to get back to the all-time highs. That's definitely going to act as a big resistance level. It's not going to be so much just getting to that point, but being able to get above that point and maintain it for a couple days. This is the first page of all my current positions, currently showing 13 out of 17. Nvidia, Costco, General Electric, Apple, and Goldman Sachs make out my top 5, and those account for 38.56% of my portfolio. Everything's definitely trending in the right direction. Nvidia and Apple are still my two biggest winners. Amazon's made a pretty big comeback, along with PayPal over the last couple of trading sessions. Microsoft was also able to go from the red to a 0.91% gain right now, and this is the second page showing my remaining 4 positions. Palantir with a 16.67% gain and Shopify with a 13.3% gain probably shouldn't be at the bottom of my portfolio right now. I've been a little bit hesitant to add to them. It does seem like for the most part the consumer is decently strong, and it also seems as though the chip sell-off is pretty much over. I do believe that these both have a whole lot of room to run, so I feel comfortable trimming down a lagging position and shifting it into these 2 positions, which I'm going to aim to do before Jerome Powell gives his speech on Friday. Right now I have 96.91% of my portfolio invested, with only 3.09% sitting in cash. Since Monday, the S&P 500 had a gain of 0.77, my portfolio saw a gain of 0.78, and Pershing Square saw a decline of 1.58, which brings us year to date. The S&P 500 has a gain of 18.01. My portfolio is at a gain of 17.85. And on the year, Pershing Square has a gain of 3.95. That's all I got for today. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on Sunday.